We have to find the type of isomorphism shown by the complex COCl2En2, right? So let us see how the compound can be represented. In COCl2En2, coordination number of CO2 is 6, and this compound has octahedral geometry, right? So let us see how it is octahedral geometry, right? So this is our CO, that is cobalt. We have two molecules of Cl2, so Cl2, Cl2, and we have two En giving us two bonds, right? So En and En over here. So this is trans form, and when we get its cis form, this cis form is shown as like this. So these are symmetrical, this is also symmetrical. As per given option, type of isomorphism is geometrical isomorphism, since it has both trans and cis forms. So answer option number 1 is correct.